We have 3 questions from our viewers in relation to some car accidents. And Chase, the first one comes from Greg, and this happened real recently. This was a wreck really in the last several days. And Greg said that he felt okay at first. He didn't worry really too much about it, but the aches and pains in his back is starting to really bother him. He's worried about going to the doctor with the coronavirus, doesn't want to catch anything. He doesn't know if he should tell his insurance company that he was hurt. He's just really kind of confused. Can you sort of clarify things for him?
Sure, no problem. To start out with, you do need to notify your insurance company that you've been in a car accident. One of the clauses in your contract with the insurance company is that you have a duty to cooperate with them. Now, that has certain limitations, but allowing them some sort of notice of the claim is important. And you want to be very careful about sort of what you say to them. Explain to them that you've had a car accident and that there's a possible claim. But I would also, before you talk to your own insurance, is call an attorney and get some advice about how to move forward. The other important thing to do is to somehow get some treatment for your health, not just because of the legal issues, but your health is incredibly important. I could be the best lawyer in the world and I could come in and get you a lot of money for your injury, but there's nothing I can do for your back. That is something that the medical community is going to have to help you with. And right now, there are a lot of doctors that are being very accommodating under the circumstances. And we could, a lawyer could, we could introduce you to the doctors that you would need to that could provide some of these telehealth services. You can also call your insurance company, your health insurance company, and they often will have telehealth options for you. If you think that that's something that might be able to you might be able to utilize in order to get some relief. Eventually, though, you are going to have to actually go and see a doctor in order to establish any sort of claim or to prove that you were actually injured in this car accident. Much like a school teacher, if you want an excused absence, you're going to need a doctor's note. Well, if you're dealing with an insurance company and you're going to ask them for a whole bunch of money for an injury, they're going to want to see some sort of medical proof that shows that you are actually exhibiting all the symptoms of having a particular injury or diagnosis. And so it is going to be very, very important to establish your injury with a physician if you want to be able to recover.